vlog, I'm going to be showing you a box that has my fidgets in it, and where I got it from locations, from Christmas, my birthday, and yeah, so we will get started. But before, I have to tell you something, guys, that you will really like. It is going to be something special is going to happen at the end. I hope you like it, and I want you to keep watching until the end, and we will get started. Okay, so we have this box that has all my collections of fidgets. So let's get started. So I'm just going to take all my fidgets and put it right here so I can show you it, guys. Okay, so let me just take them. Okay, first I'm going to do the square poppet, circle poppet, and then this one I'm in the giant one. And then this one, and this one, and then the unicorn one is just going to go right here, I guess, and then this Orbeez spot just goes right there. Okay, guys, so here's all my fidgets, so I'm going to show you. So first, poppets. Okay, let me do this heart-shaped poppet. It is so cute, and we're going to just show the poppet. So the pops, and this is actually the back side. Okay, now here's the good side. It actually has really good pops. It is a green hexagon poppet. Okay, now we're going to pop the good side. Okay, cute owl. It is so cute. It is rainbow. And yeah, we're going to pop it. Okay, here's the good side. And now here's the bad side. The bad side actually makes noise. That's cool. Okay, now we're going to do this poppet. Pick another one. We have this unicorn poppet. So here's the bad side. Good side. This one. It is a cute little mini Fidget poppet. It is teal and purple. Let's try it. I'm going to do the shark poppet. Okay. So here is the shark poppet. It is a cool poppet. You can pop it, and here's the pops. Here's the back side. But I have broken pop tubes, but they're still okay. But please don't laugh that I have broken ones. Yeah. Alright. Now we're gonna put another poppet. We have this one. It is a square poppet, and here's the pops. I think I did this one. I don't know. Okay. It's a good side. It's really good. Yeah, now we're done with the poppets. Now we're going to do this one. It has some beads in it. It is a pink stress ball that has beads in it, and it's textured. And so it has these making crunchy sounds. 2 dimples. They have 2 dimples. So we have this simple dimple that is my favorite colors. It is pastel. It is yellow, blue, and then pink. And then we have this one. This is the bad side of this dimple. This is green and orange and yellow. And this is a blue side and white side. And this is on the good side of this poppet. Snapper. It is pink and blue. Okay, that is cool. And then we have this Orbeez stress ball. And we have this monkey noodle. It is red. And we have this texture monkey noodle. And then we have this one, this orange. And then we have this green one. You can stretch really high, like little blocks. These are my most not favorite fidgets. These are balls. I have this black one. I have this white one. And yeah, and then we have this thing that I made. It is a little smiley face pop.
A DIY fidget?
Yeah, DIY fidget. It is a little thing that is cute. Okay, it's not just a fidget spinner. Look, I'm not breaking it. It's just like you can just like take all these things out. Okay, now let me show you. Spin so fast. This fidget cube. It is black and red. Here's this. It is a puppet bracelet. This one is pink and yellow. Twiddle is a twiddle. And yeah, that's all the fidgets. This is the most important part of this video. You're going to love it, guys, when you get it. They are big puppets. These are so cool. Here's a first one, and here's a big heart puzzle one. And let me open it. Okay, let me open this one. I need scissors. Wait, let me get some scissors. Yeah, I got some scissors. Yeah. Okay guys, this is a big heart-shaped puzzle puppet, and I'm going to test out the pop. So I'm going to do this pink one, this side, and yeah, this is the bad side. It's kind of hard to pop, but that's still okay. Okay, now I'm going to pop this one. It has really good pop. Okay, now I'm going to try this yellow one, yellow pastel. This is that side. Okay. And then this is the good side. Okay, now I'm going to try this turquoise one. Can't see. Okay, this is the bad side. Here's the good side. Okay, now we're going to do the purple one next. Here's the bad side. And here's the good side. Notice these letters, guys. This says BFF and BFF, 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 BFF. It is so cute. Okay, now I'm going to open the back. Let's take it out. Ooh, here it is, guys. Okay, ooh, look at this. Okay, let's do this side. No, this thing. Let's do pink. Ooh, it is. I'm done popping the bad side, and now we're going to pop the good side. So as you have, there's some little stars on each pops, but I don't know what this one is. It looks cool. It looks like a 0 or 4 or something. So yeah. So I will now say goodbye to you right now. So I will bid you have a good day, and yeah, before I say goodbye to you, I want you to subscribe and like and share and I will see you in the next video, and bye guys.